Hello guys, I'm Zai and we'll be talking about balance of payment today. In fact, we'll be talking about introduction to balance of payment. What is meant by balance of payment? Actually, balance of payment records the financial transactions of one country with the rest of the world. In fact, it records the transactions of residents of one country with the rest of the world. For instance, if we are buying a good from another country, so it would be recorded in the balance of payment. Now, what is important is balance of payment is only used for international transactions. It's not used for local transactions. And the third part that I'm talking here about is that balance of payment is part of the economic objective. Now, every country usually aims for an equilibrium in balance of payment, if or they prefer to have a surplus. If not a surplus, they prefer to reduce the amount of deficit they have. So that means countries usually aim for either a surplus in balance of payment, that's one of their economic objective, or either an equilibrium in their balance of payment, or they try to reduce the deficit in the balance of payment. So that means balance of payment is part of the economic objective of an economy. And usually balance of payment is usually presented in a bar chart or in a line graph. That's how a balance of payment is usually represented. Now, what is important in a balance of payment is the direction of payment. Now, what do we mean by direction of payment? If money is coming into the country, that is incoming, that's what? Inflow. Money is coming into the country. We would consider it as what? Receipts. See, because we are receiving the amount. We are receiving the amount. So this would be treated as a credit transaction because we are receiving the amount. It's coming into the country. All right. On the other hand, if there is an outgoing of money, that means money is going out of the country. So that is what? An outflow. Outflow would be what? Payment. We're paying the other country. That is, money is going out of the country, so that is, we're giving out money. So this would be treated as a debit transaction. Keep one thing in mind, that balance of payment focuses on what? Focuses on the value, not the volume. It focuses on the value. For instance, we're selling goods worth $10,000, okay, and we're buying goods worth $4,000. So it focuses on the value, not the volume, the quantity that we are selling. Again, now coming back to this to the key points of the balance of payment. What exactly is balance of payment? It's actually a systematic record of economic transactions of one country with the rest of the world in a given time period, or in a given time frame. And as far as the balance of payment is concerned, the components of balance of payment, it's further divided into three. The balance of payment has three further accounts, that is current account, financial account, and capital account. Now we'll go in depth of these topics. All right, let's stop here.